Hi friends, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. It's spring, but I'm chilly and wearing a sweater today, so yay me. Anyway, today I thought it would be kind of fun to go through a purchase that I made back in October, I think. And because the brand is owned by a single person and is operated by a single person, or at least was at the time of purchase, it took a while to get to me, but it's here. And I wanted to show you and talk about some of the stuff I got from this brand, which is, by the way, Shroud Cosmetics. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. By the way, if you're new here, hi! Welcome! My name is Em, and you're watching Makeupry. If this is your first rodeo with me, please be sure to click that subscribe button if you want to come back and hang out again with me in the future. I would appreciate that, and I think that would be so much fun. Click that like button as well, and if you feel so inclined, leave a comment below. I'd love to have a chat with you. Anyway, are you ready? I have talked about Shroud Cosmetics before on my channel, I think a couple of times. The first time I came across them was quite a few years ago. At the time they were known as Strobe Cosmetics. So it's exciting to me to finally get my hands on the It's Freakin Bats palette. It's a collaboration with Beauty Bean, and oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And it's so unique. I saw this color story and I thought, oh my gosh, I have to have it. It's not only that the color story of this is beautiful, but also Shroud's. Wow, I can't function. My brain just had a big old fart. Shroud's formula. It's not only that I love this color story, again I'm going to show it to you, but I love Shroud's formula. So I got the It's Freakin Bats palette. This one was what caused the delays, is because they had so many orders that came in and it took a while to hand press them and get them shipped out. So I finally got it. I'm so excited to play with that. Another palette that I picked up from them because I didn't have it already and I've been eyeballing it for a while. I know I said eyeballing and it's really eyeing, but you know what? I like saying eyeballs. Okay? Get used to it. I say it a lot actually in a lot of my videos. But it is the Divinity palette. Here it is. Isn't that cute? Oh, I didn't show you the back of its Beauty Beans palette, but hello friends. Divinity. You ready for this color story? This screams my name too because it's got grungy colors and gem tones. Gem tones? Jewel tones. Jewel tones. There we go. I think I need coffee today. I'm going to downtown Seattle today because I have an appointment with my chiropractor, and I think I need Starbucks for that road trip because my brain's a little yeah. And then finally, they have this available in a palette, or you can buy the singles, and they were sold out of the... Why am I yawning like that? They were sold out of the palette, unfortunately, so I ended up picking up the singles, and it's for the Creepy Cute palette. I'll pop in a picture of that palette here. Isn't that pretty? It's just easier for me to do it that way because I don't want to have to pull these out just yet. So there are 3, 6, 8 colors here. They're all pastels. They are super cute, as Creepy Cute implies, and they're all matte. There's no shimmers in these. They're all matte shades, so that's exciting. So I thought it'd be fun to do a look using Strobe Cosmetics today. Or excuse me, not Strobe. Shroud Cosmetics. It says Strobe on here because they're still using some of the old packaging so that it doesn't go to waste. I misspoke. Shroud Cosmetics. Anyway, let me go ahead and get my face all prepped and ready for makeup, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back and I have done my brows. I did some concealer too. Usually I do it afterwards, but I actually need to go soon. So I realized that I probably should just, get going. I thought I would kind of combine some of the eyeshadows today. That way I'm getting some use out of all of them. So I think what I'm going to do first is start with Planchette, which is from the Creepy Cute collection. That's that. That's that. Oh, hello. Where'd you go?
Let's try that again.
This is Planchette. It is from their Creepy Cute collection or palette. Less than 10 minutes. I'm going to apply this into the crease. Actually, I'm just going to do a wash of color all over the lid. Let's just do that. Ooh, I like that. It's really pale, but it's pretty. Add a little bit more into the crease area. It's applying nicely, not patchy at all, which is why I love their formula. It is a little powdery, but you have to kind of expect that with pastel shades. They've got to add a little bit more white to it to make it kind of patchy. That's not what I wanted to say. That's definitely not what I wanted to say. They tend to be a little bit more powdery because of the way that it has to be formulated, because of the whites that they put in it. But that looks really pretty, don't you think? I'm going to pull out the It's Freakin Bat. I'm going to use Apparition, which is this beautiful shimmering shadow at the top corner. This is what that looks like. It is beautiful. It's a beautiful shimmer color. It's got some gold reflex in it. And I think I'm going to put this on the lid. Oh my gosh, that is applying like a dream. There's a teeny bit of fallout, but it's wiping away pretty easily. This is so pretty, you guys. Purple wasn't exactly what I was going for today. I just grabbed the sweater because it's super warm and I was a little chilly when I woke up. And by the way, it's like 8 in the morning. I kind of want to add a little bit of depth to this outer corner, so I'm going to go into Dairy, this dark aubergine shade at the bottom. I'm going to apply just a teensy tiny bit here in this outer corner, but I don't want it to be too heavy. I want it to be a really light, kind of fun spring look. Just a little bit here for some definition. Perfect. Once it's blended out, it's kind of like a dark gray color. So I'm going to apply some liquid liner and some mascara, and I'll be right back and we'll finish the look. Okay, here is the makeup with the liner and the mascara. I applied my liner pretty lightly, just a little bit, the tiniest, thinnest line across the lashes, because I needed a little bit more definition, but I didn't want to take away from this pretty light spring-like makeup look. Okay, one final thing that I'm going to do is take this color here, which is called Hathor. It's a light, kind of dusty pink. Ooh, that's really pretty. You can totally see that from afar. I am going to use this as both a highlight and inner corner tear duct highlight really fast. It's just picking up the light so prettily. Prettily is a word, I tell you that. I'm going to keep it pretty light today. I was thinking of doing more, but I don't know. Less is more. Less is more. Let's do the highlight and all that good stuff really quickly. I just realized what time it is and I need to go in like 3 minutes. So let's see if I can do this in 3 minutes. Do you think I can? I think I can. I'm going to do a little bit of bronzer just to warm up the face a little bit because I feel a little pale. The sun went away the other day. It's kind of cloudy and icky out. So I feel like I lost some of the warmth to my face. I know that's not possible since it's only been like 2 days and your skin doesn't turn over that fast. But I'm going to pretend that I need more bronzer because, you know, yeah. Let's get the fluff. Oh gosh. This is not a pretty look for me, is it? Yes. Okay. And this shadow is going to double up as kind of a blush and, ooh, that picked up a lot. Hopefully it's not too, whoop, yep, it's pretty shimmery. So, let's just kind of blend it down. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, I think this is going to hit pan pretty quickly because this is such a beautiful shade for highlighter. Even though I have a yellower, more yellow skin tone, undertone, whatever. This cooler tone pink looks so lovely on my skin. I think it would look good on a lot of people. Maybe not every person, but on a lot of people nonetheless. Okay, I do think I need a little bit more color to my face, so I don't have any blush, I don't think. Oh yeah, I do have blush. Just kidding. No, I'll just use this. I have a cream blush, but I don't want to use that. So I'm going to use Strawberry Milk from the Creepy Cute collection and use that as a blush. It is the lightest, palest pink, but I think it'll be really pretty. And look at that. Who said you needed to use blush? You can just use an eyeshadow. This is like the prettiest combination between Strawberry Milk and Hathor. As I said, I might hit pan on, at least Hathor really fast because it's such a pretty shade. Yeah, I like that. That's it. I'm going to be wearing a mask, so I'm not going to bother too much with the lips, but I am going to use a lip balm. This one is from Hey Honey. I talked about this in another video, so if you're interested in that, go check it out. It's linked below. It'll show up at the end, possibly, in the recommended video. So anyway, really quickly, I'm not liking the concealer. I'm using a ColourPop one and I've been trying it out. I've had it in my collection for a long time. This is before I stopped buying from them, but it's clinging on to every single fine line. It's clinging to every little nook and cranny and making it look like I am 50 or 60 years old. You know, doubling my age, which is not good. So, not the biggest fan of that concealer. It also oxidized kind of weird because you see it doesn't quite match my skin tone. Maybe it's not as easy to tell because of the blush and the highlight, but I can tell. It's kind of orangey peach, which is nice for color correcting, but not so much for a standalone concealer. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I did an e.l.f. color story challenge with using all of the bite-sized palettes, except for the Mint collection. So anyway, go check that out. Will that be up yet? Maybe. Anyway, so yeah, be sure to let me know, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay electric as always. Mwah! Bye! Wow, my hands look really weird. Okay, I got to go! Bye!